Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on KEI Industries. Our analyst reiterates buy on KEI as capacity expansion across its product category and strong demand momentum would drive growth despite mixed Q1 results. A 20% volume growth in Q1 lagged its peers due to capacity constraint. Management expects brownfield and greenfield capacity expansion would ensure a 17 to 18% revenue CAGR for the long term. Management expect operating profit margin to inch up by 100 to 150 bips by FY25 to FY26 estimates. KEI's leading position in the wire and cable industry and strengthening retail business would help it leverage an ample growth opportunities if the company is able to scale up its capacity in timely manner. Next on radar is Powergrid Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on Powergrid with a revised price target of Rs 290. Management expect the transmission capex to pick up and has estimated capex of Rs 1.71 lakh crore over the next 9 years. This would mean a rebound in capex in the range of 20,000 to 25,000 crore for a few years starting from FY25 to 26. The company has received smart meter order from Gujarat Discoms, which would require an investment of Rs 4,067 crore with expectation of mid-teen ROE on smart meter investments. Valuation of 1.7 times FY25 estimated its price to book value seems attractive. Considering a decent earning growth outlook, we expect 10% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY25 earnings, healthy ROE of 19% and a dividend yield of 6%. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.